So what's up traders, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to identify support and resistance on the chart and also how to use them to predict markets. For most of you beginner traders who keep hearing about support and resistance and you don't know what support and resistance means, or most of you that find it difficult to identify a perfect support and resistance, so right in this video I'm going to be showing you how to identify support and resistance and also how to use them to predict the market. Support and resistance is basically the most used and effective way to predict price movements in the forex market. All traders in the forex industry usually make use of support and resistance to analyze the forex chart and predict the movement of price simply by identifying support and resistance right on the chart. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to identify support and resistance on the chart and also how to use them to predict price movements in the forex chart. So with that being said, let's get the video started. So as you can see at this point, the market had formed support and resistance. This is a support and resistance chart. And for some of you that don't know, support and resistance is looks like this. As you can see, when the market start forming something like a hill, which you are seeing right here, forming something like this, at this point the market had formed support and resistance, which the top right here is the resistance, and while the down is the support level, which you're seeing right here. So at this point, if you take a look at this chart, you can see similar resemblance of what I drew here with this chart. You can see that the market has basically formed support and resistance right on this chart, which you can see right from here. The market went up. Let me. You can see that right from here, the market went up, came down, went up, came down, went up, came down, went up, and came down again. You can see that the market is forming support and resistance, which most of you are unaware. Most of the beginner traders are basically unaware. So I'll be explaining to you why the market is forming this support and resistance. So like this, the market is forming something like a hill valley. Then at this point, the market is on a manipulative level. So at this point, the market is either trying to change direction or trying to breathe a little bit, then it continue its direction. So that is what the market is either expecting to do when the market is forming support and resistance. So you should be conscious that either the market will as the market is forming it was heading up. As you can see, the candlestick was like heading up. Either the market will just change direction or continue its movement to the upside. This is what you should be expecting on a support and resistance market. So right here you can see, right at this chart, you can see right at the bottom is our support, which you're seeing. Like this thing right here is the support. When support represent the buyers, so the area where price bounce back is the support. So when price went up to the resistance, it fails to break. The seller's pressure is much at that point, which pushes price to the downside. Now it went down again. Buyer's pressure became much at this same point, pushing price to the upside. So at this point, buyers and sellers are having kind of the same momentum in the market. So at this point, buyers and sellers are having kind of the same momentum in the market. So right here you can see the same thing which you're seeing right at this top, supports, resistance, right here, resistance, while right here is the support, and also support. You can see that the market has formed support and resistance. Like I said, you can see the market went up, boom, boom, was going up, boom, 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 form support and resistance. And like I said, either the market want to change direction or continue the movement, boom. And sometimes most of you might see this support and resistance unable to enter, unable to identify its support and resistance. So most of you are unable to identify support and resistance, and you'll be like, sometimes you might just wonder, let's say you see the market heading down. For those of you that don't know support and resistance before now, I see the market just heading down, you'll be like, oh, let me just take a short position immediately. Boom, and say, and you just told yourself, okay, let me just put my stop loss right here, and my take profit just at this point. Boom, and immediately the market is like getting halfway, almost halfway your take profit area, and immediately the market reverse. Boom, and you see that the market hits your stop. Let's say you put your stop loss right here, or yeah, the market just hit your stop loss and came back again, and you'd be like, oh, let me sell this time again. Maybe the market will go down. The market is now serious to go down. Boom, and you do the same thing again. Boom, you lost again, and you did it again. Okay, okay, right now you'd be like, okay, let me just buy. Let me just buy. Since the market is, let me just buy. For most of you beginner traders, you'd be like, oh, let me just buy and put my stop loss. Let's say right here. Boom, and just say, okay, let me take my profit just here. Boom, and maybe let's say you entered at this spot. Boom, boom, you lost again. The market halfway your take profits and you lost again. You see that the market will keep on doing this and you keep on losing. Before you know, you're blown your account because you don't know when the market is forming support and resistance. The market is using your brain, is playing with your emotions, is using your brain. So at this point, you don't know what the market is doing. The market is manipulating at this point. So if you're not careful and you're not skillful, you will end up losing your money in the market. So you can see that the market forms support and resistance, and you see, and you, if you're not careful, you have lost your cash, which you can see. So now you can see that, like I said, the market is to like change character or continue its direction. As you can see, the market at this point changed character, which the market changed character and start heading to the downside. You can see that after the market have blown most of your account at this point, the market will now finally head to that direction which you are aiming for, since this can temper with your emotions and you'll be so angry after seeing the market heading down, heading to that your same direction which you were predicting since. So right here, this is support and resistance for you, and sometimes support and resistance can also occur like this. Now, so at this point, at this kind of a market condition, this is when the buyers is in control of the market. So at this point, buyers is in control. We start seeing, instead of seeing equal levels, seeing this kind of a support and resistance, and you start seeing this, you know that the market is heading to the upside, which you can see. You can see that this is the resistance of this chart. Resistance. When you see price keep breaking the resistance, you can see that the resistance level, the market is uptrending. Then you should be looking forward for a buying opportunity, not to sell on the uptrending market. Now, sometimes the market can also look like this, which is the sellers are in control of the market at this point, which is opposite of the uptrend. Now, which you can see that at this point, price keep breaking the support level. Price keep breaking, price keep breaking, price keep breaking the support level of this chart. See that I didn't really draw the downtrend correctly, but you can see that it keep breaking the support level keep breaking. Even this level keep breaking. You can see that it keep breaking. That is to know that at this point, sellers are in control. Why this uptrending chart, buyers are in control. You should be looking forward to a buy opportunity when the support is stronger than the resistance, or the resistance is keep breaking. Know that the buyers are in control. Then these sellers are in control. Looking forward for a selling opportunity on a downtrending market. So this is how you beginner traders can learn from this, apply it to your trading, and most likely you start seeing success in your trading, and also your profitability will increase. So be able to identify when the market is forming support and resistance is very important. To predict the markets is very important. So the market on a so I've showed you how to draw a support and resistance, and also how to identify when the buyers are in control, or when the market is uptrending or downtrending, which you see right here. So make sure you apply this to your trading, and hopefully you'll stop blowing accounts as usual. So make sure you subscribe and also turn on the notification bell to be notified each time I post a video. Sign up with my broker below. I also get a sign up bonus on your first deposit. So see you on another video.